Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 11 and we are at 0.006%. So let's see what happened on day 11. So our expenditures are at minus $61.6 and our AdSense revenue just reached $124.1 and that makes our profit $62.5. Our investments are still only one microphone that I'm using to record these videos, and the top comment box is still empty. If you have any ideas that we should try, leave them in the comments and we are going to implement the most liked ones. So let's see the YouTube Studio so I can show you our statistics. So as you can see, my view count for the last 28 days is 70,500. Our watch time is 995 hours and our subscriber count grew by 260. Our top videos are the following. The top one is how to add money to your Cash App account, which generated 4.6 thousand views. The second one is how to sync your TikTok account to Facebook and your contacts, which generated 4.4. The third one is how to find virtual background settings on Zoom, and the fourth one, how to get Matic Polygon on Trust Wallet, and the fifth one is how to use Revolut Junior. So that's pretty much it, how our statistics looked today. If you want to follow my journey of making $1 million on YouTube, don't forget to check out this playlist. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.